Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade bagels, full guide. Start by activating yeast in warm water, mix flour and malt, knead until smooth and rest the dough. Divide into equal pieces, shape into rings, boil briefly in baking soda water, then bake until golden and shiny. I'll walk you through timings, textures, and topping tips so you can bake perfect bagels at home with confidence today. Mix dough basics. Use high-gluten flour and malt to develop chew. Combine water at 110 degrees F, 2 teaspoons salt, and yeast, then knead for 10 minutes until elastic. Bulk ferment for 60 to 90 minutes until doubled, then degas gently and refrigerate for slow overnight flavor development. Cold fermentation improves texture and flavor, so plan ahead and enjoy deeper tasting bagels the next day. This method yields a dense, shiny crumb and better chew that defines a classic bagel. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy this guide, please subscribe and like to support future recipes and tips. On another note, consider the Echo Dot smart speaker for kitchen timers and music while you bake. It brings your space to life and pairs well with cooking playlists. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and remember to subscribe if this helped you. Now let's get back to the video. Divide dough into 90-gram balls for consistent size and weigh each piece. Create a hole by pushing your thumb through or roll into a rope, then join ends, aiming for a 1.5 to 2-inch center. Boil in lightly sweetened, slightly alkaline water for 30 to 60 seconds per side, then bake on a hot tray with steam to achieve a crisp exterior and glossy interior. Finish with seeds or salt as desired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.